Today, I'd love to tell you about World Kindness Day. World Kindness Day is a holiday to celebrate all the ways that we can show kindness to each other and how kindness can connect people all over the world. To be kind is to be gentle, caring, considerate, and even helpful. We can show our friends and family kindness in so many different ways. We can write them a letter about how much they mean to us. We can help them with a task they've had trouble finishing. And we can be there to listen when they need support. Even an act of kindness that seems small can make a big difference in someone's day. Receiving kindness from others can help us feel safe, supported, and loved. When we feel safe, supported, and loved, we're more able to create, explore, and help one another. Kindness really does make the world a better place for everyone. Happy World Kindness Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.